Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Darshan. In today's video, we are going to talk about section 112 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. In the previous video, we talked about what are organized crimes. The organized crimes are defined in section 111. It was first time defined in the Penal Code of India, and 112, section number 112 is an extension of the same. So in this video, we are talking about petty organized crimes. Okay. Now, petty offenses, it's just an additional information. The petty offenses, the heinous offenses, and the serious offenses, there are three categories of offenses: petty, serious, and heinous. So these three kinds of offenses, they are described in the Juvenile Justice Act of 2015. It is the only act that characterizes the various offenses. So according to the perspective of Juvenile Justice Act, your petty offenses are those for which punishment is less than 3 years. Your serious offenses are those for which punishment prescribed by any penal code is from 3 to 7 years. And in the case of heinous offenses, the prescribed punishment is minimum 7 years or more. All right. So these are the categories of the offenses that have been defined in the Juvenile Justice Act. Moving on, in section 112, which is an extension of section 111 itself, because it is talking of petty organized crime, the section reads, whoever being a member, whoever being a member of a group or a gang, either singly or jointly, commits any act of theft, snatching, cheating, unauthorized selling of tickets, unauthorized betting or gambling, selling of public examination question papers, or any other similar criminal act is said to commit petty organized crimes. See, ये बात करता है कि कोई भी अगर ऐसा ऑफेंस करता है जिसमें चोरी हो रही है, थेफ्ट हो रहा है, स्नैचिंग हो रही है, स्नैचिंग इज छीना झपटी, चीटिंग हो रही है कि आप किसी को चीट करके उनसे प्रॉपर्टी डिलीवर करवा रहे हैं, एंड अनऑथराइज सेलिंग ऑफ टिकट, जैसे कि राइट नाउ देयर इज दिस दिलजीत दोसांझ एंड कोल्ड प्ले कॉन्सर्ट वेरी मच इन पिक्चर, तो उसमें काफी ज्यादा अनऑथराइज सेलिंग ऑफ टिकट्स हो रहा है. So recently there is this one GK news that I came across. ED, the Enforcement Directorate, is all set to investigate in the unauthorized selling of tickets of Coldplay and Diljit Dosanjh. This is the headline of today, which I came across. So yeah, unauthorized selling of tickets is also a kind of petty organized crime. Then unauthorized betting or gambling, जो भी आपका सेटिंग ऑफ मैच होता है या बेटिंग होती है, गैम्बलिंग होती है, सेलिंग ऑफ पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन पेपर. नाउ दिस हैज बीन अ मेजर ट्रबल फॉर आवर कंट्री, फॉर आवर स्टेट सर्विसेज एग्जाम्स. अभी हमने recently नीट scam witness किया, that there was an allegation that NEET papers have been sold across. Then also there was this UGC net scam. UGC net का भी paper इस साल दोबारा हुआ है. So all of these crimes, when they are committed by a group of or a gang or by the member either singly या किसी के साथ jointly, then these are said to be the commission of petty organized crimes. Okay. Now you need to understand. Now what you need to understand here is that here the acts are theft, snatching, cheating, unauthorized selling, unauthorized betting, gambling, selling of public examination question papers, or any other similar criminal act. ये सेक्शन इंक्लूसिव है, एक्सक्लूसिव नहीं है. कोई भी ऐसा एक्ट जो इस नेचर में हो रहा है वो भी इस सेक्शन में इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. इट विल बी अ पेटी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम. Now why organized crime is covering these kind of activities? Because theft, snatching, cheating, तो चलिए फिर भी एक सिंगल पर्सन कर सकता है, बट these gambling, public examination के question papers को sell out करना, betting करना, unauthorized selling of tickets, these are usually carried on by a proper organized group जो कि एक scheme में ये सब काम carry forward करता है. All right. So we are covering them under the organized crime, petty organized crime as well. Now, for the purpose of this subsection, theft includes trick theft. जैसे trick theft क्या होता है, काफी बार इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं कि रेड लाइट पे देयर इज पर्सन ए कमिंग, वो आपसे बोलेंगे कि आपको यहाँ का एड्रेस पता है क्या, या आप प्लीज हॉस्पिटल का रास्ता बता देंगे. मीनवाइल यू एंगेज विद दैट पर्सन, अ पर्सन बी कम्स एंड टेक समथिंग फ्रॉम योर पॉकेट, टेक समथिंग फ्रॉम योर कार, एक्सेट्रा. थेफ्ट फ्रॉम व्हीकल, जो आपकी गाड़ी से कुछ अगर चोरी हो रहा है, आपके स्कूटर से कुछ चोरी हो रहा है, आपके घर से कुछ चोरी हो रहा है, आपकी दुकान से कुछ चोरी हो रहा है, कार्गो थेफ्ट, पार्सल्स की चोरी. पिक पॉकेटिंग, हम पिक पॉकेटर्स बोलते हैं कि जेब पॉकेट, जेब कतरे, वी कॉल इट इन द regular layman language. Pickpocketing is also an organized crime. Theft through card skimming, आपके कार्ड्स जो हैं उनको डुप्लीकेट करके people thieve you out. Shoplifting, then theft of ATM मशीन जो है, automated teller machine, इसका भी theft जो है, that will be covered under the theft for the purpose of section 112. Okay, so now whoever commits, अब आप देखेंगे, whoever commits any petty organized crime shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 1 year, but which may extend to 7 years. Okay, and shall also be liable to fine. ठीक है. यहाँ पे एलिमेंट क्या है, बीइंग अ मेंबर ऑफ अ ग्रुप और अ गैंग. ठीक है, वो एक सिंडिकेट का मेंबर होना चाहिए, एक ग्रुप का मेंबर होना चाहिए, एक गैंग का मेंबर होना चाहिए. क्योंकि अगर आप ये सेक्शन, ये लाइन ही हटा देंगे, अगर आप इस लाइन को नहीं पढ़ेंगे, आप सिर्फ इतना पार्ट पढ़ रहे हैं, लेट मी हाईलाइट इट फॉर यू. इफ यू आर ओनली रीडिंग दिस पार्ट, वेट, yeah, if you are only reading this part, theft, if you are reading snatching, if you are reading cheating, if you are reading selling of tickets, betting, gambling, selling of public examination question paper, or any other criminal act, अगर आप सिर्फ nature of act को देखेंगे, only nature of act which is getting punishable under this section, तो you will find out that ये इनके अपने separate offenses भी criminal code में हैं. They are in the criminal penal code. ओके, सो दे आर इन द भारतीय न्याय संहिता. थेफ्ट का अलग सेक्शन है, स्नैचिंग भी एक तरह से थेफ्ट में या रॉबरी में आ जाता है, चीटिंग का अलग सेक्शन है हमारे पास, सेलिंग ऑफ टिकट्स जब है, आप अनऑथराइज सेलिंग ऑफ टिकट्स कर रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो एन ऑफेंस. अनऑथराइज बेटिंग, गैम्बलिंग इज एन ऑफेंस बिकॉज लॉ डज नॉट अलाउ इट. सेलिंग ऑफ पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन पेपर इज एन ऑफेंस एज वेल. हर स्टेट में नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ स्टेट्स जैसे राजस्थान है, राजस्थान में अगर आप देखेंगे, राजस्थान का एक 2022 का एक्ट है which criminalizes selling of public examination question papers and use of unfair means in the examinations. So we have certain enactments, certain laws for these individual acts. लेकिन 112 के अंदर liability accrue करने के लिए जो एलिमेंट है, जो ए मेजर कंपोनेंट है, वो है बीइंग अ मेंबर ऑफ अ ग्रुप और अ गैंग, जो कि ये काम करता है. दैट इज वाई अगर आप मेंबर हैं ग्रुप के, तभी तो आप एक ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम का पार्ट बन रहे हैं ना. सो दैट इज वाई this condition has to be fulfilled. The person has to be a member of a group or a gang, or this gang can be the syndicate we discussed in section 111. So a video on section 111 has already been delivered on this channel. You may do these two videos together, section 111 for organized crimes and section 112 for petty organized crimes. Now, I hope this section is clear to you. Since this is a new addition in the penal code, in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, it would be interesting to see how the application and interpretation of section 111, 12, and 13, which we will be doing in the next video, will unfold once the cases related to them will be reaching high courts or supreme courts. All right. So as of now, there are hardly any judgments which we can refer to for the interpretation of these sections, but with time, definitely there will be many from the High Court and the Honorable Supreme Court, from various High Courts, in fact. Yeah. So the punishment is 1 year to 7 years. Minimum is one, maximum is seven, plus fine. Now this is the liability, or this is the penalty that the person who will be engaging in these acts. Now the uh, to summarize, being a member is an essential condition and commission is an essential condition. All right. So any commitment of such offenses by a person who is a member of a syndicate, group, or gang shall be known as the commission of petty offenses, and he will be penalized under section 112 clause 2. All right. I hope you found this video useful. And in the next part, we will deal with pardon. In the next part, we will deal with section 113, which speaks of, I'll just show, which speaks of terrorist acts. Yeah. Section 113 speaks of terrorist acts. So we will do that in our next video. Till then, stay tuned with Legal Darshan. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.